Hey, what's going on, you guys? DJ ZEUS back with another video, and today I just wanted to go over the new headphones that I'm using, that I'm currently rocking with, and these are the Sony MDR-XB950N1 Bluetooth and noise canceling headphones.
DJ ZEUS.
Okay, so basically a lot of people have been asking me in my previous video where I did a review of the JBL headphones that I currently still own but no longer use. Basically, I had to pick up one of these. I think I did it like right after Black Friday. Got a pretty good deal on these. These retail for $149.99 pretty much everywhere. I got these at Best Buy on sale for like 110 bucks, and then I went all out and I got the 2-year warranty or replacement plan through them for an additional $25. So still got it less than regular retail price. But these are extra bass headphones. These are Bluetooth headphones, and I'm actually currently using these to DJ with. So just so you know, you can use it to DJ, so that's pretty cool. Inside the box right here, I just put everything back in for dramatic effect, just so you guys kind of get the feel of what it looks like inside the box. So you get these beautiful pair of headphones, and these things are pretty amazing. They fit very comfortably around the ear. They swivel only one way, which kind of sucks for DJs. I kind of like the double swivel, especially because this is the left and this is the right. If I'm using the headphones like so, if I'm using them to monitor, when I do it this way, it doesn't fold out that way, so sometimes I just switch sides. So I use the right on the left and this one on this one, just so that way when I have it like this and I can put it this way, there's no strain being put on the little hinges here, because they are made out of plastic. But the cool thing about these headphones is that there is an aluminum band going all the way through, even through the plastic here on the sides, and you can kind of see that in there. They are adjustable on each side, so they can fit a number of different sizes of heads. One thing that I don't like about this headphone, and this is exactly where a lot of my headphones get worn out really quickly, is this pleather memory foam top on the inside. I wish they would use real leather, because I highly doubt this is real. These things always end up getting frayed, and that's the only reason why I upgraded to these from the JBLs, because this went out and it just made the headphones look like shit. So ended up picking up these, and these are pretty cool. I always wanted Bluetooth headphones. I was kind of hoping that I could use these to play PlayStation with. Unfortunately, PlayStation doesn't support like the Bluetooth audio for these for some retarded reason, even though they are Sony, just like PlayStation. In order to use these with the PS4, you have to use the included, and excuse me for not unboxing this, but in here you get the little drawstring pouch with the Sony logo, and then your owner's manual and stuff on the inside. Got a nice felt right here to keep it nice and protected during shipping and stuff. Inside the drawstring bag you get a USB to micro USB cable, so this is what you use to charge it with. You just plug it into the bottom here. The little light comes on when it's charging. When it's finished charging, it turns off. It takes about an hour and a half or so to charge the battery to full, and it does last up to 22 hours, it says. I've never really tested it that long, because then my ears just get really fatigued, especially after wearing this for about an hour. They are comfortable, they are super comfortable, but because they are noise canceling headphones, they do fit around the ear pretty snug. So if you have smaller ears than I do, I don't think I have big ears by any means, but I do have a big head, so that pressure basically is kind of putting a lot of pressure against my ears, and it does get fatigued after a while. So after about an hour or so of watching YouTube videos or listening to music, I have to let my ears air out a little bit. So there's that. Also in the bag you get the headphone jack, so you get the straight tip jack and then the angled as well. So the straight one is the one that I obviously plug into the input on there, and then this one I end up plugging into my mixer to use while mixing. I haven't used these yet in a club environment, so So I don't know how the noise canceling feature will work in that type of an environment, but I have been practicing with these at home, and I got, you know, my 15-inch Mackies like in front of me and playing pretty loud, and it's able to cancel it out pretty decently. Now if you just turn it on and then turn on the noise canceling and you have your headphones on like this, you'll still be able to hear people talking around you. It isn't until you actually have audio coming through these, and it doesn't even have to be that loud. It could be still like minimal volume with the noise canceling on, and then it actually you'll hear the difference of canceling out the background noise, and it makes a huge difference. So it's not on the level of the Bose noise canceling headphones. Like the moment you put those on, like everything else just disappears, but it does work very well. So you have a power button right here, so that's how you turn it on. When you turn it on, it says power on, and when you turn it off, it says power off. Also, you have a bass effect button, and with this, when you turn it on, it says bass effect on, or it says bass effect off, depending on if you're turning it on or off. With the Sony app that you can download for free through either Google or the Apple App Store, what you can do is you can kind of customize this bass effect button, and that's pretty cool because straight out of the box, I think it comes at like a 10 plus 10 dB or whatever of bass effect. These already have like a pretty decent amount of bass without the effect turned on. Once you turn it on, you get the rattle in your ear and stuff, and it sounds pretty dope. Listening to like just hip hop and stuff, I haven't really listened to any electro or EDM type music, but take it from me, it's sick. But within the Sony app, what you can do is you can toggle how much bass this bass effect button will produce. So if you wanted to, you can bring the bass all the way down -10, and when you hit the bass effect button, it'll actually go into negative bass, so you will have emphasis on the mids and highs, and then just have like the bass taken out altogether. Or you can set it somewhere in the middle, or you can do plus or -10. I think I don't know if it's actual decibels, but on the scale from 1 to 10, plus or negative on the bass effect. And also within the app, you can use like club mode, arena mode, or whatever. I think all those sound like shit. And then you also have your charging port down here, your input port for the headphone jack cable, and then your noise canceling feature. When you turn it on, it says noise canceling on. When you turn it off, noise canceling off. On the other side here, you have your volume rocker up and down, and then you have your play, pause, forward and reverse. Also, if you have this paired to your smartphone, whether it be Apple or Android, if you get a phone call and you're rocking these and you're just listening to some music or whatever, you can hit the play pause button, just push it in, and that'll answer the phone, so you can take phone calls with that. So that's a pretty dope feature as well. These are pretty dope headphones. Like I said, memory foam, it's really comfortable to a certain extent, for me at least. They do swivel a little bit, so you can fold it like so, and then you can place these in your drawstring bag, you know, for transport, so they don't get all scratched up like that. So pretty dope. If you guys found this video helpful or useful in any way, as always, make sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up by clicking that like button. Also, make sure to hit subscribe. We got some other videos coming through. So with that being said, those are the new headphones. Until next time, peace.